Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute jellyfish? Well, let's get started. These are the colors that I will be using, but you can use whatever colors you like. All right, to start off, we're gonna draw the part of the bell. Okay, that's the top part of the jellyfish. And we're going to make sort of like an arch shape, okay? And then we're gonna bring it down, and then we'll just randomly do little squiggly lines. It almost looks like an umbrella. And then we'll attach the line up, okay? So we're gonna draw the tentacles. Some of the tentacles range from 4 to 8. I'm gonna draw about 8 of them, and just squiggly line down and then back up. And we don't have to have it exact same length. You can do different lengths, okay? So that's 2. There's the third one. And the fourth one. Fifth. Sixth. 7. And the last one, 8. Okay. All right, there we go. So we're gonna turn it into a cartoon like jellyfish. So we're gonna draw 2 eyes, oval shape. So there's one. Here's the second one. And then you can draw a little arch over for both eyes. And then you can just shade in the inside, the pupil. Okay, and a nice smile. All right, so we could also draw little circles around. There we go. Okay, so the colors range from clear, white, orange, yellow, pink, red, purple, blue jellyfish. I'm just going to blend in some of those colors. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna share some facts about jellyfish. So they're actually 95% water. So they're made up of water, not jelly. And they don't have brains, hearts, or lungs, but they have a nervous system with receptors that detect light. Okay, so this is called the bells, and it contains fluid and circular muscles. And if they want to move, they propel their muscles and squirt water in the opposite direction, okay, from where they want to go. And they also drift along the ocean currents. They only live for a few hours. The larger species can live for a few years. And they range from a few centimeters to over 2 meters in size. Okay? And they spend a lot of time finding food. They trap their prey by twisting their tentacles around. They attach their prey like a net, okay? And as they move along the ocean. Some of them glow in the dark. The jellyfish are found all over the world. So they've been around actually 600 million years. Oh my goodness, long, long time. And they like to eat small creatures like plankton, krill, larval shrimps, crabs, fish, okay? Now, they sting their prey with their tentacles, okay, right here. And they don't go after humans, but if someone does swim against them or go close to them, they can sting humans as well. Okay. So we're almost done here coloring. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue, just very lightly. Okay, and just along the edges here. Okay, and the mouth, let me just color it a little red here. Nice smile. Okay, before I go, I have a cute little joke to share with you. Why did the jellyfish cross the ocean? To get to the other tide. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.